drive. We've had beautiful weather every year, and this year we've had the most tractors we've ever had with 64. The oldest tractor dates back to 1942. You're all good? All right, enjoy your day.
Very well.
It seems to grow every year that we have it. They all seem to enjoy it and come out and just have a good day. The weather's been great, so we should wind up all right today.
You know, these kinds of dues, I come out every year. This is the farm equipment that built North American agriculture. This is the equipment that built our economy in not only North America, but much of the world.
We'll be stopping at 3 places: Norview Lodge, which is a seniors retirement and nursing home, and they're always thrilled to have the tractors there.
Yeah, would they be the ones that would do the plowing? Like the weeding and stuff?
It's the best thing I've seen in a long time. It's really nice to see them get out and, come down here, because, we don't get out that much to see anything. Well, other than the casino in Brantford.
And then we're off to the St. William's Forestry Station, and the guys will have lunch there, and they can visit the interpretive center. And then we're off to the historic hamlet of Victoria.
One of the main reasons I'm doing it is because it reminds me, I grew up on a farm, and we used to farm with these old tractors, and a good chance to interact with people and bring back old memories.
Well, they got a good day for it. They're going to have a good time. I know they're going to have a real good dinner when they come back to the museum here in Waterford.
I think it's an opportunity for people to come out and see tractors they wouldn't otherwise get an opportunity to see. These are out in the fields working, and it gives the drivers an opportunity to drive their tractors and show them off.